What you have learned about life by being a writer?
Uh, See, I've experienced a lot and put my experiences in writing. As I write, I experience things, I recollect, I go back, I gain some inside things about what I had experienced, but which has escaped my detection or the observation of what actually happened or what led to all these things. So while I write, I get a deeper knowledge of my experiences.
How do you think writing has made you as a better person?
Well, writing means it is quite ironical that writing doesn't make a person a better person, because writers are more or less eccentric people, but so whatever they give to the world, they open up many things about the life, so that people gain a lot of experience through this, and have a deeper experiences and observation of the life. Probably thereby means a writer can expand himself. He expands within himself. As he writes, he also gets a knowledge about his weaknesses, his strengths, his a concept of life, his relationships with people, with words, with literature, with writing, with many aspects of life. So that changes a writer over the time.
If not a writer, what would you have been?
Unfortunately, I couldn't become, but I would like to have been a doctor, especially a surgeon.
Other than novels, what mediums you think you have tried your hands and succeeded?
Okay, I did. I wrote some journalistic articles for some newspapers in Mumbai, and I was an editor of a business magazine. I used to teach English in some institutes and classes, and I would also and I taught retail management in few institutes.
How well you think writers are recognized in India?
They are poorly recognized in India. It is either you have must have a great promotion for them. True writers are submerged among the books. They actually don't get a publicity, and they are not that much recognized. Let's hope these institutes and organizations have come up with identifying the writers. So because first of all, writers need the platform to publish, and a self-published writer lacks this recognition part of his. Unless he or she promotes or publicizes the book, they are handicapped.
What, according to you, is the main difference between a great writer and an ordinary writer?
When you read 1 or 2 pages, you come to realize the quality of the writer. Like I may give some examples of William Faulkner, who is my favorite also. Reading his page, one comes to know his style. Then Philip Roth, reading 1 page, you come to know that what quality the writer has. Usually, when you read this Memoirs of a Geisha, the first paragraph itself strikes you and captures you, and you think that this could be a good book and a great book. So that is a writer must have a distinct style. Most of the time it happens that they write in details about very many things in the first page. The first page doesn't reflect much of the novel or the book. That has to have means a gripping on the reader. Secondly, the style, literary style. It should be new, it should be fresh, it should be individualistic. Third, concept. It should be out of the way, or if you have the same concept but get deeper into that. If you have a concept of politics, or if you have the concept of dowry or marriage, means a broken up marriage, you must go beyond your biased attitude.